What also happened is that people started installing AI tools. And for me personally, I had quite light experience with AI tools beforehand. I carried out some very light requests and didn't really know how to effectively iterate those materials with the AI forward. But during the first few project days, I already started to see ways I could use these tools and methodology as well in my daily work to speed up things and make me work more efficiently. But one thing that is very important to consider is to have a clear communication on what data is okay to be fed to AI and what tools are approved inside each company. And these clear guidelines will protect your company, and at the same time, it will give confidence to the personnel using those tools in their daily work. So they know that this is okay, I can use this data with this tool and it will help me go forward.